These air fryer bang bang salmon bites are one of my favorite ways to make salmon for lunch or dinner. They're crispy on the outside, tender on the inside, and covered in a creamy bang bang sauce that's absolutely addicting. We'll make the sauce first. Grab a medium-sized bowl. Add half a cup of plain non-fat Greek yogurt. I'm using yogurt to cut back on the calories, but you can also use mayo if you'd like. Add 1/3 a cup of Thai sweet chili sauce. This gives the sauce its signature sweet bang bang flavor. Add 2 tablespoons of sriracha. Add 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Add half a teaspoon of sesame oil. And finally, add a pinch of salt. Mix everything together until the sauce is smooth and fully combined. Then store it in the fridge for now. Take out 2 pounds of salmon and cut them into 1 to 2 inch cubes. This is the size I'm going for mine. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil or avocado oil to the salmon. Add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. This will help crisp up our salmon a bit. For our seasonings, we're using 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Toss everything together until the salmon cubes are fully coated in the oil, cornstarch, and seasonings. Grab your air fryer and place it on your table. Give your air fryer basket a light spray of oil. Place the salmon cubes into the air fryer basket in a single layer. Try not to overcrowd the basket if possible. You'll want to cook these in multiple batches if your air fryer is not large enough. Cook at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes, shaking the basket halfway through so everything cooks evenly. Once the salmon is fully cooked, remove it from the air fryer and set it aside. Repeat for any remaining batches of salmon. Once all of your salmon batches are done, garnish them with some sliced green onion and sesame seeds. Then you're set to serve your bang bang salmon bites. Once you're ready to enjoy your salmon, add a small amount of the bang bang sauce on top. Wait until the day of to pour the sauce on top so your salmon doesn't get soggy in the fridge. You can also serve the bang bang sauce on the side if you prefer to dip your salmon. These salmon bites are great right away, but if you're meal prepping them, they'll last in sealed containers for up to 3 days in the fridge. If you like this video, be sure to check out my other air fryer recipes. And if you found this recipe helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more healthy recipes every week.